Patient education is so important when it comes to dental implants because you don't know what you don't know. Patients don't want implants, they want teeth, and it's our job to explain their options and to guide them toward the one that fits their particular needs. I'm incredibly passionate about offering various options for patients to be able to chew and to smile again. Dentures are rarely, if ever, the best option. You have to learn how to talk again. You have to learn how to eat again. Some patients will describe times when dentures fly out in the middle of dinner and just fall out of their mouths. It's a massive, massive transition. And it breaks my heart that many patients are not informed of these challenges before having all of their teeth pulled. What makes our TruSmile Protocol stand out from your standard all-on-4, all-on-X option? Each smile is custom designed and tailored toward each particular patient. The more information you can give us about how you want your teeth to look, the closer to your dream smile we'll be able to get. For the teeth themselves, the older style was setting plastic denture teeth over a titanium bar, whereas the newer method that we use includes fabricating the teeth out of one solid piece of very strong ceramic. It's far less likely to chip or break during normal function. Having an in-house lab is very, very important to our workflow. We don't offer cookie cutter plans here at Odessa Family Dental. Every case is different. We 3D print a custom fit prosthesis here. Not only does this let us customize a patient's teeth, but it allows us to make fine changes along the way to get to their ideal smile. Before any surgery, I go over the importance of regular maintenance to ensure that your teeth last a long time. I recommend to every patient to get a water pick and use it twice a day, every day. It's really important to clean both the outside and the inside of their prosthetics. I very strongly recommend coming in at least every 6 months for us to clean the areas that you might have missed and to ensure that everything is staying in good shape. The TruSmile Guarantee is a 5-year guarantee against any prosthetic complications relating to the integrity of the implants, the abutments, or the ceramic prosthesis. Patients are very happy to learn we stand behind our work and that if there are, any complications, we'll make sure that they're happy and comfortable. At a consultation at our office, patients will be welcomed to the office and asked to fill out a medical history and some new patient paperwork. I'll do a thorough exam. I'll go over the patient's condition. I'll go over all the different options we offer. I never push anything or ever say that anyone needs something, but I arm my patients with all the information they need to make a truly informed decision. To anyone hesitant about taking the first step, what I would say is that knowledge is power. The first thing we do at our office is educate, and we go over your needs. We see many patients who haven't been to a dentist in decades and think their teeth are in far worse shape than they actually are. You don't have to suffer being unable to eat or afraid to smile in public.